It's last week of Monday today. It's about 4 days after payday, so obviously I'm as broke as a garden boy who hasn't got any money. Broke a washing machine now. The boss is taking the money off his pay. And I'm just sitting here watching my daughter play the hockey. She's practicing hockey. They're doing old style, comp style draad exercises with this hockey coach by her school. Absolutely old school, carrying logs, crawling through mud, bungee jumping of rocks into thorns and things like that. Very, very hardcore, talented bunch of girls. But anyway, I digress on a point what I was trying to make upon my person, all out to you people in Facebook land. It's come to my attention in the last 25 years, I've got a bit of a short temper, as my wife will point out, for some times in a day. Anyway, so many people these days is taking offense. I'm offended. He raised his voice. He shouted at me. Now listen, being offended is not an opinion. I've touched on this thing before. Being offended is not an opinion. Because you're offended doesn't mean you are right. It probably means you're wrong. Well, that doesn't probably mean, but so what if you're offended? I watch all these American bioscopes. They say, the facts don't care about your feelings. And if a oak raises his voice to you, and he cucks you out and he shouts at you, or he's frustrated or irritated, his voice are going to go louder. So what if you don't like it? Go and cry me a bucket in a river. I don't care. I'm obviously not going to be deliberately insulting to you. I'm not going to call you, hey, you big fat pig, when you are a big fat pig. I'm going to be more diplomacy than that. But if you and I are having an argument and I whip my gut and I raise my voice, tough titty. It's your problem, not my problem. I have not got any control over your feelings. If you feel offended, it's on you, my bro. I don't want to offend you, but if you are taking offense, a thing is a feeling what you are took upon your person. I don't care. Stop being bliksems offended about everything what is told to you. So many people with bliksems purple hair, the they, thems in the world who's all offended. My wife tells me all the time, she's the most clever person I've ever known in my whole life. She says, don't sweat the small stuff. If you come to work and you're 5 minutes late and you're late and your boss cucks you out, just don't sweat the small stuff. Get over it. Go and do your work. Go for a beer in the night. Kick the dog. But everybody must stop being so angry and upset and irritable and angry and irritable all the time. Because why are you wasting your life like a retard? Retards are irritable. Yakkel, stikkel, I listen to the news, the ANC and the DA. I am deeply offended. We are most upset. Yakkel, stikkel. I'm telling you now, one of these days I'm stop buying the newspapers. All the newspapers, I have my pirate TV switched off because I can't take all these people anymore fighting the whole day. There's more important things. It's beer and rugby and hunting and fishing and snorkeling and 4x4s and double cab buckies and lekker gooses to spend your time with. Okay.